Hello and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. In this particular set of videos we are talking about the petty offense exception, and we've spoken about how it applies to adjustment of status and consular processing. But what about if you're in deportation proceedings or removal proceedings? Does the petty offense exception apply? Well, there is what is known as cancellation of removal. And cancellation of removal basically states that if you've been in the United States for the requisite number of years, generally 10 years, and your U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident immediate relative will suffer extreme hardship if you're deported, and if you have good moral character. That's the element we're looking at here and for this particular purpose. And if you have good moral character. Generally, if you commit a crime, you're not going to be considered to have good moral character, and you are not going to be eligible for cancellation of removal. However, if you have committed a crime where you fall under the petty offense exception, then you are not ineligible for cancellation of removal. That means that, let's say you committed a petty theft or a battery or some crime that clearly without dispute falls under the petty offense exception. That means that when you apply for cancellation of removal, you still can show that you have good moral character, and you still can show that you do not need to apply for any other types of waivers or forms of relief, and you can apply for cancellation of removal if it meets the necessary requirements. Okay, more on the coming videos.